So we got another update today. We got it both on the Model 3 and the Model Y. It's version 2020.40.8. No, it is not the full self-driving beta, which is at 40.10 and .11 now. They've already gotten an update for that. This full self-driving beta is very limited release right now. It's only to a few people, but it is coming out to a wide release, hopefully by the end of the year, for everyone who has ordered full self-driving wherever you're at. So you can go from home to work, or you can go across the country and it's going to drive itself. So this is something that is amazing. I'm really excited to get this beta. Hopefully I will get it soon. Maybe before Thanksgiving would be nice. Anytime soon, I would love to get it and start testing it out. I'm going to have lots of videos on testing out the full self-driving beta once it comes out. So definitely stay tuned and subscribe for that. But we do have some exciting updates for the Model Y, especially. They did announce that the efficiency improvements have been rolled out in this software update, and therefore we now have 3% more range. And there it is. Update 2020.40.8 gives us improved efficiency. Your car's range has increased with new software that improves the efficiency of the motors and the climate control system. Note, these changes do not impact acceleration or overall climate control. So I don't think we actually get a full 316 miles range out of our battery now. In the app, if you have it set to distance, you can scroll through the charge level and you can actually see what the highest charge level is without actually charging it up to that range. So I definitely would recommend that rather than charging up to 100%, as it is not good to charge your battery up to 100% frequently. I gotta say that the fact that it is just a software update, there is no hardware update, I gotta think this has to do with the new Model 3 refresh that they put out, and it now having that 353 miles of range, I believe. So that now the Model Y again has less range than the Model 3, because if they had gone ahead and put the Model Y out, a much larger car, with the 326 miles of range that it now gets, when the Model 3 only had 322 miles of range, that would have been pretty disappointing, I believe. Obviously, the heat pump makes a huge difference for efficiency, and now we have more range. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.